Hello everyone, welcome to MPN Academy. We are presenting you Bihar current affairs. In this video, we will discuss 30 most important multiple choice questions associated with the May month of Bihar current affairs 2022 with description in English. So let's begin. The first question is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC has recently announced the discovery of petroleum in which two districts of Bihar? The right answer is option number C, Buxar and Samastipur. Under the provision of Open Area License Policy OALP, oil exploration exercise will be started by ONGC in Samastipur in 308 square kilometers and in Buxar in 52 square kilometer. In which district of Bihar India's largest gold ore reserves have been planned to start mining operations? The right answer is option number B, Jamui. According to Geological Survey of India, Bihar has 223 million tons of gold metal, including 37.6 tons of metal-rich ore. It is India's 44%. The primary ore resource in the country is estimated to be 501.83 million tons as on 1st April 2015. It contains 654.74 tons of gold metal. The entire stock of gold ore in Bihar is in the Sono area of Jamui. In which district it has been announced to install escalators in Kakolat Falls? The right answer is option number C, Nawada. This waterfall attracts tourists because of its popular scenery. According to legends, an ancient king was turned into a dragon by the curse of the sage and lived within the waterfall. Folklore suggests that Krishna used to come here to bathe with his queens. The height of this waterfall is about 150 to 160 feet above the ground level. In which district Karkatgarh Falls has been announced to be developed as eco-tourism? The right answer is option number B. It's in Kaimur district. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has said that Karkatgarh Falls is a wonderful and picturesque waterfall and there is water all the time. It has a different significance as a natural site of crocodile. This waterfall is on the Karmnasa river. Please remember that. Near Karkatgarh village, situated in the hill at a distance of more than 40 kilometers from Chinpur block headquarters of the district. After the discharge of water from the dam built in Uttar Pradesh, the water suddenly falls at a depth of more than 500 feet. The Appellate Tribunal for Electricity (APTEL) has overturned the order of the Bihar Electricity Regulatory Commission and decided to set up a total solar project of how many megawatt in Bihar? The right answer is option number B, 250 megawatt. APTEL acting chairman Justice R.K. Gauba and technical member Sandesh Kumar Sharma heard the matter on 19th May. This year, the bench said that when Bihar Renewable Energy Development Agency BREDA has issued a tender of 250 megawatt, then how can it be done to 200 megawatt? With the decision of APTEL, now instead of 250 megawatt solar project will be installed. About 5 crore rupees will be spent per 1 megawatt project. Information is being given here for the students who want to get PDFs of all the current affairs videos released on this YouTube channel. First of all, let us understand why you need MPN Academy current affairs PDFs. Why MPN Academy PDFs? Let me show you the past 3 years performances. Friends, in 2020, 66th BPSC prelims exam was held on 27th December. 41 questions came from current affairs section. 36 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. The performance was 87.80%. In 2021, BPSC did not take any exams. So we have taken Bihar SI prelims exam, the second best exam held in 2021. Shift 1 and Shift 2 put together, 36 questions came from current affairs section and 31 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. Performance was 86.11%. The exam was held on 26th December. In 2022, 2 exams are held by BPSC. One is cancelled due to paper leak. The re-exam will happen soon. 67th BPSC prelims exam. The exam was held on 8th May. 30 questions came from current affairs section. 26 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. The performance is 86.77%. BPSC CDPO prelims exam was held on 15th May. The recent exam, 35 questions came from current affairs section, 30 questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. So the performance is 85.71%. So you have seen that we have proven past records. In all the 4 exams, more than 85% questions tallied from MPN Academy PDFs. Video of all these regarding current affairs questions tallied from MPN Academy. These are available both on this YouTube channel as well as on the Telegram page of MPN Academy. Just search MPN Academy on Telegram. You will see this logo. Just join this. You must see these videos if you are preparing for 67th BPSC prelims re-exam and 68th BPSC prelims exam. You will get to see the pattern of current affairs questions asked in the recent years as well as how you can take advantage of MPN Academy PDFs. Friends, the PDF course is available for 67th BPSC prelims as well as 68th BPSC prelims exam. Friends, you can revise the entire 1 year current affairs in just 18 hours. How? 3 types of content will be given. Weekly current affair test series, it will be in the form of MCQs, national and international version. 50 PDFs will be provided in a year. 4 PDFs in a month. So total 48 PDFs plus 1 economic survey and 1 budget. So 50 PDFs, 1 PDF will require 6 minutes of time. So in 5 hours of time, you can revise this entire weekly current affair test series. Second type of content is monthly current affairs short notes, national and international version, 12 months, 12 PDFs. 1 PDF will require 30 minutes of time. So in 6 hours of time, you will be able to revise this content as well. Third type of content will be Bihar monthly current affairs. This will be in the form of MCQs as well as short notes. 1 PDF per month. So 12 PDFs, 1 economic survey and 1 budget. 14 PDFs, 1 PDF will require 30 minutes of time. So in 7 hours of time, you will be able to revise Bihar monthly current affairs as well. Friends, please keep it in mind that 67th BPSC prelims exam is delayed too much. For this exam, you will require PDFs from November 2020 onwards. This is available and continue to study 1 month before the exam date. Friends, how will you get these PDFs? You need to download MPN Academy app which is available on the Google Play Store. Just search MPN Academy and this logo will be there. You can install it. The link of the app is available on the description box as well as on the pinned comment section. Friends, after opening the app, you need to go to the store section. Then select 67th BPSC or 68th BPSC current affairs course. These PDFs are available at a very reasonable price. Just pay the fee. Payment link is given there and you will get the access of all the PDFs. In which 2 districts a memorandum of understanding has been signed by Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited for setting up a total of 200 megawatt solar plants. The right answer is option number A, Banka and Jamui. An agreement was signed between Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited, North Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited and South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited for purchase of 200 megawatt of solar power with Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, a Government of India undertaking. Energy Minister Vijendra Prasad Yadav said that under this 75 megawatt solar power project will be set up in Banka and 125 megawatt will be set up in Jamui. The state will get about 42 crore units of additional solar power per year from these projects. An agreement has been signed with Solar Energy Corporation of India, SECI, for the supply of green renewable energy in how many cities of Bihar? The right answer is option number B, 3 cities of Bihar. Under this, SECI will supply 210 megawatt of renewable energy per day at identified sites in the first phase. The historic agreement was signed. The agreement will replace 700 million tons of conventional energy per year with green energy, thereby reducing emission of 630 million tons of CO2 per year. The city which will be covered under this agreement is Rajgir, Bodh Gaya and Patna. What is the infant mortality rate of Bihar according to the recent sample registration system year 2020 which was released in May 2022? The right answer is option number A, 27. Rural is 27 and urban is 25. The infant mortality rate in the state was 42 in 2015, which has come down to 27 in 2020. The national average is 28. So, it is below national average. According to the report of Sample Registration System year 2020, what is the female infant mortality rate of Bihar? The right answer is option number D, 29. The male infant mortality rate of Bihar is 26. The female infant mortality rate in rural Bihar is 29, while the male infant mortality rate of rural Bihar is 26. The female infant mortality rate of urban Bihar is 27, while the male infant mortality rate of urban Bihar is 23. What is the birth rate of Bihar as per the Sample Registration System year 2020 report? The right answer is option number D, 25.5. Registration of births and deaths is done under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. What is birth rate? It gives the number of live births per thousand population in a given area and year. In 2020, Bihar has seen the highest birth rate of 25.5 in the country. In rural areas, it is 26.2, and in urban areas, it is 21.0. Andaman and Nicobar Island has the lowest birth rate of 10.8. What is the death rate of Bihar as per the report of Sample Registration System year 2020? The right answer is option number B, 5.4. Bihar's rural mortality rate is 5.5, while the urban mortality rate is 5.2. The female mortality rate of Bihar is 5.4. Bihar's male mortality rate is also 5.4. The female mortality rate of rural Bihar is 5.5, and the male mortality rate of rural Bihar is also 5.5. The female mortality rate of urban Bihar is 5.1, while the mortality rate of urban Bihar is 5.3. The natural growth rate of Bihar is 20.0. In this, rural is 20.7 and urban is 15.7. Which of the following districts is not associated with the under construction Ganga Udva Yojana in Bihar? The right answer is option number D. Jahanabad is not included. What is in news? The Chief Minister took stock of the progress of Ganga water supply under this scheme in Nalanda, Gaya, Nawada and Bodh Gaya, which comes under Gaya district. In this sequence, the CM clapped in happiness and bowed to Mother Ganga with folded hands, seeing the flowing stream of Ganga in Nawada's Motnaze and Nalanda's Ghora Katoda near Rajgir city. This year-round, the supply of pure Ganga Jal will start in the homes of these four cities. Bihar's first rubber dam is being built on which river? The right answer is option number B, Falgu. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar has laid its online foundation on 23rd September 2020. With the construction of rubber dam in Gaya, there will always be 3 meters of water in Falgu river throughout the year, so that devotees who come to Vishnu Pad temple and perform Pinddan will get water of Pinddan, Tarpan and Shraddha rituals throughout the year. What is in news? The work of construction of dam has been started by NCC Company of Hyderabad. The budget for the first phase was 2,836 crore. However, due to delay, the cost increased to 4,174 crore rupees. This project will provide water of 43 million cubic meter to Gaya and 7 million cubic meter to Rajgir. The project will benefit the population of about 11 lakhs of Rajgir, Nawada, Bodh Gaya and Gaya. India's first greenfield grain-based means sugar cane, paddy and maize ethanol plant has been launched in which district of Bihar? The right answer is option number A, Purnia. Under the ethanol production promotion policy 2021 of the government of Bihar, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated it on 30 April this year at Perora in the district. The plant will produce 65 kiloliter of ethanol per day. The plant has been set up by Eastern India Biofuels Private Limited at a cost of 105 crore rupees. The plant will generate 2.5 megawatt of electricity per day. Earlier, the limit of use of ethanol in petrol and diesel was fixed at 10%, which is now increased to 20%. Please remember this. In which city has the first ISKCON temple of Bihar been inaugurated? The right answer is option number B, Patna. Governor Fagu Chauhan and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated the ISKCON temple in Patna, the capital of Bihar, on the auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya on 3rd May this year, built at a cost of 100 crore rupees. After the ritual worship in the temple and the consecration of the statue of Radha Krishna, it was opened for the public to see. The Chief Minister said that the foundation stone of this temple was laid in the year 2007 and the construction work started in the year 2010. So it took 12 years to complete this project. What is the name of architect of Patna Museum? The right answer is option number C, Rai Bahadur Vishnu Swarup. The two-story building designed by Rai Bahadur Vishnu Swarup was completed in 1928. It was inaugurated by Sir Hugh Lansom Stephenson, the then governor of Bihar and Odisha, as the first museum of the province of Bihar and Odisha. Why it is in news? Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated the archaeological excavation in the eastern part of the museum complex. Till now, people were aware that extension of ancient Patliputra was only till Patna city. But now, from getting the remains of ancient times in Patna museum premises, it will now be known that the extension of ancient Patliputra was up to western Patna. Which district of Bihar has secured first place in the country in Niti Aayog's aspirational district ranking for March 2022? The right answer is option number D, Muzaffarpur. Purnia of Bihar was ranked second and Mewat of Haryana was ranked third. The Delta ranking has been prepared on the basis of progress of 112 aspirational districts in 6 areas of development in March 2022. The aspirational district program was started in January 2018. Its objective is to bring forward those districts which have been left behind in the key social areas and come under the list of backward areas. Which player from Bihar won the gold medal for India in the mixed team event of badminton at the 24th Deaf Olympics, Deaflympics? The right answer is option number B, Ritik Anand. The Indian badminton team won the gold medal by defeating Japan by 3-1 in the final of the mixed team event. In the mixed team event of badminton, Ritik Anand, a resident of Hajipur of Vaishali district, played an important role in getting India gold medal with his brilliant performance and brought laurels to the whole country including Bihar. Ritik Anand has bagged the country's first gold medal in the team event of 24th Summer Deaf Badminton Tournament held in Brazil. Who among the following has announced to undertake Bihar Yatra from 2nd October 2022? The right answer is option number C, Prashant Kishore. Election strategist Prashant Kishore, which is popularly known as PK, will undertake a 3,000 km Padyatra. It will start from Gandhi Ashram in West Champaran. He announced this in a press conference held in a hall of Gyan Bhavan in Patna on 5th May. During the Padyatra, he will reach village, city and state of Bihar. He will tell people about the concept of Jan Suraj and its thinking. The Padyatra will last from 8 months to a year. What is the number of cooperative banks in Bihar, all of which have been directed by NABARD to reconstitute their boards? The right answer is option number C, 23. After the formation of the new cooperative ministry by the central government, changes have been made in the Banking Regulation Act. It has become necessary to have 51% professional people on the board of directors of cooperative banks. Now the old presidents are not expected to get a place in the new board. Please remember the name of a committee, the Baikunt Mehta Committee, formed to study the problems arising out of the New Testament, is of no use. The Reserve Bank has ignored all their arguments. The famous doctor, Dr. B. Bhattacharya, who passed away recently, was associated with? The right answer is option number C, homeopathy. Dr. B. Bhattacharya, a well-known homeopathic doctor of the state, passed away on 8th May. He breathed his last at his residence on Bhattacharya Road in Patel Nagar, Patna. He was 98 years old. B. Bhattacharya, who was sent by his father for a job at the Dr. Bhattacharya Clinic in Kolkata, became a noted doctor of homeopath. when he did not feel like studying. In the medical world, he was called the Charaka of homeopath. JDU candidate Anil Prasad Hegre was elected to the Rajya Sabha from the seat that fell vacant due to whose death? The right answer is option number A, Mahendra Prasad. Anil Hegde, a native of Mangalore in Karnataka, has been elected in a by-election due to the death of pharmaceutical baron and seven-time JDU MP Mahendra Prasad. Anil Hegde, the lone candidate, had filed his nomination for this seat. His term will end on 2nd April 2024. Ravindranath Tagore, the eminent lyricist and poet of which language, has passed away recently? The right answer is option number C, Maithili. Born in Madhubani, Ravindranath Tagore touched millions of hearts with his melodious song Mamta Gayab Geet from the Maithili film Kanyadan. Baba Nagarjun gave him the nickname Abhinav Vidyapati. He was awarded with several national awards like Prabodh Sahitya Samman, Mithila Ratna Samman and Mithila Vibhuti. What is the rank of Bihar in the admission of differently abled students as per UDAS report 2020-21? The right answer is option number C, third place. UDAS, what is the full form? Unified District Information System for Education. Under inclusive education, special students with disabilities have to be enrolled in schools. In their nomination, Bihar is at third place in the country after Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. There are 1,41,067 students enrolled in Bihar from class 1 to class 12. In which district of Bihar is the second center of India being built to collect data related to rivers and study their water carrying and flowing capacity, etc.? The right answer is option number A, Supol. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar recently inspected this physical modeling center under construction under Bihar Kosi Basin Development Project in Virpur of Supol district. The construction work will be completed by December this year. With the start of the physical modeling center, the necessary studies associated to rivers for flood management and irrigation schemes will be completed in a less time. Now there will be no need to go to Pune for this. Studying the hydraulic properties of rivers here will also benefit Bihar as well as other states. Demolition of 198-year-old opium house, which is popularly known as Afim Ka Bhandar in Patna, cleared the way for collectorate. This building was built by the traders of which country? The right answer is option number D, Dutch, from Netherlands. The Supreme Court, while rejecting the petition filed by Intac regarding the non-demolition of building, said that this building cannot be called historical. It was a warehouse which has no legacy. What is the full form of Intac? Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. Intac in its petition had said that this building was built by Dutch traders in 1824, which was used to store opium and gunpowder. After independence, the Bihar government was using it as collectorate, but due to collapse of some walls of this building, Bihar government is planning to demolish this and build a new collectorate. Which of the following politicians participated in the interaction program organized by Cambridge South Asia Students Forum with students at Cambridge University, UK in May 2022? The right answer is option number B, Tejaswi Yadav. You can see his picture here. Leader of opposition in Bihar Legislative Assembly, Tejaswi Yadav, gave his views on the all-round development of the country and Bihar and democracy, future of opposition, role and unity in Ideas for India Dialogue Program. Many professors, scholars and enlightened students including Rahul Gandhi, former External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid, Sitaram Yechuri, MP Mahua Moitra, RJD's Rajya Sabha MP from Bihar, Dr. Manoj Jha, also participated in the event. Which international lifters has been selected to train Bihari weightlifters at a coaching camp in Patna? The right answer is option number B, Kunju Rani Devi. She is from Manipur. The talent search program will start from Bhagalpur and Vaishali. Director General cum ADG ATS Ravindra Sankaran of Bihar State Sports Authority said that in recent times only Bhola Singh of Jahanabad has created a national record by winning gold at the national level in weightlifting. Players will be called through Bihar Weightlifters Association and District Weightlifters Association for talent search in 8 districts of the state. The authority is trying to prepare 10 players like Bhola Singh in Bihar. What is the rank of Bihar in the whole country in terms of mushroom production? The right answer is option number A, first rank. According to the National Park Board, 2 lakh tons of mushroom were produced in the country last year. Bihar's share in this is 28,000 tons. Maharashtra is in second place with production of 25,000 tons and Odisha is at number 3. In Bihar, about 80,000 farmers are engaged in mushroom production. The share of Bihar in the total mushroom production in the country has reached 10.8%. This is the second major achievement of the state in the agriculture sector after standing first in the country in honey production. Friends, as discussed earlier, the PDF of this video lecture can be found on the MPN Academy app. With the help of the PDF, you can revise this video lecture in just 5 to 6 minutes of time. It will save you lots of time which you can devote to the static portion. The link of the app is available on the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Let's discuss the last question. In which district did Chief Minister Nitish Kumar lay the foundation stone of the proposed building of Bihar Animal Science University, Basu? The right answer is option number A, Patna. The foundation stone laying ceremony was held on 6th May in the campus of Veterinary College established in 1928. Please remember, sometimes question like this comes in exam. Located in Patna. Please also remember that this new university was established in the year 2017, 5 years ago. The building of the University of Animal Sciences will be constructed at a cost of 890 crore rupees. A veterinary hospital will be constructed in every 8 to 10 panchayats. Beside Bihar Veterinary College in Patna, a second veterinary college has been started in Kishanganj. Friends, the most important current affairs associated with the May month of Bihar current affairs is discussed in 30 MCQs. There are also some current affairs which is not very important but often comes in exam. This extra current affairs is covered under at a glance section. This month you will get 45 extra current affairs like this. This is not included in the video as it will make this video very long. This will be available in the form of PDF. With this, we are wrapping up this edition of Bihar Current Affairs. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best for your exam preparations.